We have nearly 50 years of experience representing people who have been in 18-wheeler wrecks, families who have been, who've lost loved ones due to the negligence of an 18-wheeler driver. That experience is very important because we know what we're doing. An attorney has to use due diligence when that lawyer gets the phone call. You can't sit around, you can't wait. Things need to start happening and you need to know what you're doing, and we do. When we're called about a case, one of the things we do is we go take photographs of the vehicles that are involved, both our client's vehicle and the 18-wheeler that's caused the wreck, and any other vehicles that are involved. In this particular case, as we always do, we took photographs of the engine of the 18-wheeler. And all vehicles nowadays are equipped with what we kind of refer to as a black box, an electronic control module. But everybody's familiar with black boxes from airplanes. So trucks have these. Well, the black box on an 18-wheeler is mounted inside of a metal casing, a large, heavy piece of metal that is actually bolted onto the engine block of the truck. Inside of that heavy metal casing is this computer that records everything that the truck has done. Speed, braking, whatever the driver has done over a period of time, up to including the time of the wreck. So we had photographs of the engine of this truck showing the black box where it was supposed to be, bolted to the engine. Once the lawsuit was filed, we requested an inspection of the truck, which is part of the procedure that you go through when lawsuits are filed. You file a formal request to go and take your experts out and let them examine the vehicle, and it's part of the litigation process. The insurance company had taken the truck from the scene of the wreck and stored it at a storage facility that the insurance company used. Whenever we went out a few months after the wreck with our experts to inspect the vehicle and the engine, well, lo and behold, this big, heavy, bolted on piece of metal that contained the black box was no longer there. It was gone. Someone had to take a big wrench and actually undo 4 or 5 bolts around this thing and take it off of that engine. The insurance company claimed, we don't know what happened. This truck just must not have had one. So, we're really sorry, but I don't know why it's not there. I guess, this truck just didn't have one. Fortunately, because we had been called early and had gotten out to the scene early, we actually had a photograph of the engine of the truck showing the black box present at the scene of the wreck. So somewhere from the scene of the wreck, when the insurance company picked it up to the storage facility that the insurance company took it to, this big, heavy, bolted on piece of metal was removed. It didn't come off by accident. The insurance company took it, and they were caught red-handed with that, and the judge was not very happy. The result of all of the work that we did at the outset, because our clients called us early, resulted in a great outcome for our clients. An outcome that probably would not have occurred had they waited a few weeks to call us.